technique for liquid-liquid mixture separation is called separating funnel. This is also a new concept. You have not learned this in Ch1 at all. Okay, earlier on, remember, we did fractional distillation. So we saw how fractional distillation separates miscible liquids with different boiling point. Okay, but not all liquids are always soluble in each other. Okay, some liquids, they are immiscible. So I think it's quite obvious to guess lah. Immiscible liquids are liquids that are not soluble in each other at all. They don't mix together. One of the classic immiscible liquids combination is oil and water. So I'm very sure most of you are familiar with it. Okay, this picture shows you what immiscible liquids are. Okay, so you see the three columns of liquids do not mix with each other. Okay, and good to be aware that the one that is on top must be the liquid with the lowest density. Okay, so basically, this technique makes use of the fact that the liquids are immiscible, they do not mix, and they have different densities. Okay, so how does the separating funnel works? Okay, let's take a look at this slide, and it will give you a better idea. Okay, so I have a picture of a separating funnel over here. You get to try this in the lab as well. Okay, then you just need to pour your mixture inside. Okay, so you pour your mixture in from the top. Okay, then you let it sit. All right, you do not straight away try to separate them. The moment you let it sit or stand, okay, and they will separate into as many layers as there are lah. All right, so let's say we are looking at oil and water. They will separate into 2 layers. Okay, and oil being lighter will be floating on top, while water is denser or heavier. Okay, it will sink. So all you need to do is to place a container at the bottom of the separating funnel. This thing is the separating funnel, by the way. Okay, so you put a container below the separating funnel, turn the knob. Okay, turn the knob to release the liquid from using this step. So water will come out. Okay, but I know many of you will be saying, oh, but it's quite difficult for us to manage the separation when this particular, the point where it divides the oil and the water, when it reaches this part, right, of the separating funnel. Yes, that's true. It's very difficult to separate. So usually when you know the dividing line between oil and water is going to be reached, right, then we will stop collecting water already. And we'll take another container and just flush out this dividing zone. Whatever is left would be oil in the separating funnel. Then you just pour out from the top. Then you'll be able to get the two of them separated. Okay,